ebm-papst's Expanded AxiForce series Tubeaxial fans are now available from Sager Electronics. The full AxiForce lineup includes space-saving 80mm fans, low-noise 120mm fans, and high-flow 172mm fans. Airflows across the series range from 78 to 382 CFM, and all models leverage a newly developed flow geometry, powerful electronics, and the latest high-efficiency motor technology. AxiForce delivers a high cooling capacity in the smallest spaces, protecting sensitive electronics from severe temperature fluctuations and enabling the safe operation of 5G power modules, VFDs, servers, digital signage, and other high-density enclosed electronics. This series is available with salt spray resistance and ingress protection up to IP68 to ensure reliable operation in the most challenging environments. AxiForce fans come standard with a variety of features, including PWM input and TAC output, and can be customized to your needs with additional options like alarms, temperature sensors, and analog input. To learn more about ebm-papst's AxiForce series Tubeaxial fans, visit Sager.com.